How to make your habits stick. Hey everyone, welcome to the Health Yard. I'm Jake, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to make all those new lifestyle changes you want to take up stick. Remember all those times you've tried to start something and after a few weeks you find yourself just not doing it anymore? All those New Year's resolutions. How many have you actually stuck to? Well, I'm about to tell you exactly what you need to know to never give up on a habit ever again. So let's begin. On average, it takes 66 days to turn new behavior into an automatic habit. But it is really hard to start a habit. It requires a lot of dedication and focus. That is why so many people fail. But if you follow these steps, you'll never fail again. 1. Temptation. This is one of the biggest factors that prevents you from sticking to your goals. You need to start off by finding out why you're breaking your habits. A common lifestyle change is diet. And if you're the type of person always reaching for the snacks, then you know having snacks in the house is a problem. If you remove the temptation from your environment entirely, then you have nothing to eat when the cravings happen. This method is so simple it can be transferred to any scenario. Quitting smoking? Cut out those friends that always manage to convince you to have a cigarette. Then, when you're in control, start seeing them again and it will be so much easier to say no. 2. Lists and targets. If one of the reasons you can't get your habit to stick is because you keep forgetting to do it, then write it down. It really is that simple. Leave reminders in the places you visit most, so you can't forget it and you can't ignore it. Write lists that you want to achieve and cross them off when you've done them. This action allows you to actually visualize the amount you're doing and helps you to be more aware of your achievements, which is a real motivator. 3. Talk about it. Another great method is to let people know what you're doing. They might offer up some things that help them or found hard. They will also ask you about it in the future. This gives you an incentive to maintain the habit because you want to be able to tell your friend that you are doing it. 4. Rewards. Everyone likes a reward. Give yourself a little incentive to keep putting the effort in. Then eventually you won't need the reward because you'll have associated the habit with the feel-good from the reward. 5. Trick yourself. Some days you're just not going to want to do it. That's normal, but the best way to fix this is to trick yourself into doing it. Just tell yourself anything is better than nothing. Let's say your goal is to do 15 push-ups every day, and one day you just don't feel like it. Well, if you tell yourself that even one press-up is better than doing none, by the time you've done one press-up, you'll think, well, I'm here now. I might as well do another one. Before you know it, you've done 15. 6. Keeping records. If you record your progress in one place, it helps you to see how far you've come, and that acts as a great motivator. Everyone likes to know what they're doing is worth it. That's it. It really is that easy. So go on and try these tips. I guarantee you'll find it easier to keep on top of your new habits. Thank you so much for listening. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up. And if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll try to answer as many as possible. I'd love to hear how you get on with your new habits. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button below if you want to see more great content like this, and then click on the bell to be notified every time new content is uploaded. Thanks again for watching, and remember, keep going.